You guys asked for it.
What we got going on today, dude?
The battle.
Battle of the 700s.
That's right. You guys wanted to see it, so we decided it's a nice day, nice fall day. So let's race these bastards.
Yeah. So let's give them a rundown what's done to these because they're pretty similar, aren't they?
Yeah.
First off, these are my quads, guys. This is my 2008 Honda TRX 700xx, and then that's my 2017 Yamaha Raptor 700, and they're both tuned up. So what we got going on this one is we got the stock intake, but we have an HMF full system exhaust on this, and then of course we got the Power Commander 5, and she's dyno tuned, she's all tuned up, she's ready to go. And then on this one we have a GYTR intake with a DASA full exhaust. It's a little dusty, guys, but I'll show you. Oh, it's pretty hot.
We had it right over from your house.
Yeah, so they're pretty dirty, but the only difference between these is the Raptor's got an intake and is of course newer, and so to be honest, we already know who's gonna win, but we're not gonna give it away. Yeah. But it should be pretty obvious.
If you guys have been watching for a while, you guys probably know which one's gonna win too. But
yeah, but it's still worth a video to kind of see how close they are, huh?
Yeah, why not?
And you know what? How about part 2 of this video? Loser faces Cody's quad.
Yeah, that's got a stage 2 hot cam in it, bigger piston.
Yep.
And she's exhaust. She's got a nice exhaust on it. So
White Brothers full exhaust. His is a 2006 Honda TRX 450R. You've seen it many times on the channel.
I mean, yeah.
So loser will face that in part 2 of the video. What do you say about that, Code?
Do it.
So I think we're gonna get the old man over there to kind of help us film a little bit. But yeah, guys, we're gonna get set up. We actually don't got a good spot to go from a stop on our property, but if we go to the road, you know, we can go to like, you know, like the first crack or something.
We're kind of going with the flow. We'll figure something out.
But this is a highly requested video, so I hope you guys enjoy. Oh man, how's it going, buddy?
Good, it's going good.
Last time we saw you, you were kind of upset at this machine.
Yeah.
Damn, she's looking good right now.
Difficult maintenance.
It's all put back together now, guys. New what, carrier bearing?
New carrier bearing, new brakes.
God, she's looking good.
Need to replace the throttle cable though.
But yeah, she's mint again, guys. 400EX is back together.
Yeah, she's good to go.
Yo, man!
Hey!
Who you got, old man?
What do I got?
Yep.
For the winner?
Yep.
I put my money on the Raptor because the Raptor's got some fucking balls.
And you just got done riding the Raptor, so you have a pretty good idea of that, huh?
Raptors. And plus, I don't know, this one's kind of fucking big and heavy, so.
It's just like how you like your women.
I think we're all unanimously going to choose this one because you probably think it's faster.
Oh yeah, but let's see, man.
Yeah, I'm recording now. Code. There goes the fucking cylinder in that one. Make me proud, buddy! Semi-length. They went Cody by a semi-length. Cody had it by a freaking semi. So boys, it was a rolling start.
Yeah, smoke, man.
That was a roller.
It was a roller?
Yeah.
You want to switch, maybe?
You want to try it? Yeah, I mean,
This baby here is, she's fast, so
Just to
man.
make sure it's not a rider. God damn it.
Danny, it's a bigger machine though. This baby, she rocks. Code. Take him with the other Honda?
think about that next crack? You ready?
That freaking Raptor. Cody, how you feel on that one?
I was looking at the wrong craft from the start line. It's going to beat me regardless, but still. And I know it's going to beat me regardless, but let's do it again. I was looking at the wrong crack in the road.
Oh, were you?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, you can, I mean, it's up to you.
Yeah, no, let's
He
do
thinks he can get a little bit closer.
it. I'm down. Okay.
I was looking at the one ahead of that one.
Well, open up your damn eyes this time.
I guess I have to.
A little bit closer, but
Killed it off the start.
you killed it off the start? Oh,
Well,
she's got a hell of a takeoff to her.
I think we can say
Didn't even matter, but
fairly certain that just kills it off the start.
yeah, it's not even close. Not even close.
I thought it would be a lot closer since I put the pipe and everything on. What do you do, Raymond?
Yep.
It's still fun.
Well, at least
It's
you
still
guys
fun.
know. At least we know the Raptor's still king around here
Oh yeah.
for the time being.
I think it'll be king for a long time.
Is that Haley?
Hey, wait.
Shit. All right, guys. Well,
Okay.
hope you enjoyed watching. I'll do it probably for this bit, right, Code?
Yep. Be sure to like and subscribe. Be sure to like and subscribe and all that stuff. We'll see you guys in the next video. Later.